Let us start the practice set 2.1. Here first example is given, that is we have given figure RP is parallel to MS. This is line RP which is parallel to line MS. DK is the transversal. Here line DK is transversal. We have given angle DHP is 85 degree. DH and P. This angle we have given, that is 85 degree. And we have to find out the angle RHD, then PHG, angle HGS and angle MGK. So first we have given DHP. तर RHD angle कुठे आहे पहा, RH आणि D. RHD अँगल काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला हा RHD इथे आहे. हा अँगल काढण्यासाठी आपल्याला काय वापरता येईल, इथं अँगल्स इन लिनियर पेअरची प्रॉपर्टी वापरून अँगल RHD आपण शोधू शकतो. सो फर्स्ट हियर वी कॅन राईट अँगल RHD प्लस अँगल DHP. Here we can write this sum is equal to 180 degree, and because angles in linear pair, so here we have DHP is 85, so angle RHD plus 85 degree equal to 180. So angle RHD will be 180 minus 85, which will be equal to 180 minus 80 will be 100 minus 5, that will be 95 degree. Number 2, here we have to find out PHG, angle PH and G. So this angle, here we have to find out PHG. This angle is opposite angle of RHD. So here we can write angle RHD is equal to angle PHG, because opposite angles formed by two intersecting lines. तर RP ही लाईन आणि DK ही लाईन, ह्या दोन्ही लाईन इथे इंटरसेक्ट झालेल्या आहेत आणि म्हणून आपल्याला अपोजिट अँगल आपण इक्वल मेजरचे लिहू शकतो. आणि आपल्याला माहिती आहे PHG हा अँगल आपल्याला शोधायचा आहे आणि तो RHDच्या कसा आहे, अपोजिट अँगल आहे आणि म्हणून RHDचं मेजर आपल्याला दिलेलं आहे. आपण इथं RHD काढलेला आहे 95. सो हिअर वी कॅन राईट 95 equal to angle PHG, or angle PHG equal to 95 degree. To find the third answer, here we have to find out HGS, angle HGS. HGS is this angle. So this angle and DHP, this angle, these are the corresponding angles. So we can write angle HGS, angle HGS is equal to angle DHP, angle DHP. These are the corresponding angles formed by transversal of two parallel lines. So we know that angle DHP equal to, we have angle DHP is 85 degree. So this is DHP is 85. So angle HGS is also 85 degree. Then last we have to find out MGK. So angle MGK, angle MGK is the corresponding angle of RHD. Number 4. So here we will find number 4. Angle MGK is equal to angle MGK, this angle, and RHD, angle RHD. These are the corresponding angle. Corresponding angles formed by transversal of two parallel lines. So angle MGK will be equal to RHD, and we have RHD equal to 95 degree. Line M and L are transversal of the line P and Q. We have given some measures of some angle. We have given the measures of some angle, and we have to find out the angle A, angle B, angle C, and angle D. So here we can write angle A plus 110 equal to 180. Angle A plus 110 degree equal to 180 degree. Angles in linear pair. So angle A will be equal to 180 degree minus 110. So angle A will be equal to 8 minus 1 is 7. So this is 70 degree. Measure of angle A is equal to 70 degree. Then angle A plus angle C, we can, number 2, here we can write angle A is equal to the angle B, because these are the exterior alternate angle. So angle A equal to angle B, because these are the exterior alternate angles of two parallel lines and their transversal. So measure of angle A and measure of angle B is equal. We have angle A equal to 70, so angle B is also 70 degree. Number 3, we have to find out angle C. So this is angle C. Measure of angle C and measure of 150 is equal. So here we can write angle C equal to 150 degree, because these are the corresponding angles. Angles formed by line P and Q and transversal. Here transversal is line M. लाईन एम ही ट्रान्सव्हर्सल असताना हे दोन्ही कसे येतं, करेस्पॉन्डिंग अँगल आहेत. सी मेजर आपल्याला 150 आहे. नंबर 4, वी हॅव टू फाइंड आउट अँगल डी. अँगल डी अँड 150 आर इन लिनियर पेअर. सो हेअर वी कॅन राईट अँगल डी प्लस 150 इक्वल टू 180, बिकॉज angles in linear pair. So angle D will be equal to 180 minus 150, which will be equal to angle D 65 degree. Example number 3, here we have given line M is parallel to line N line L is parallel to line M, line N is parallel to line P. Then we have to find out angle A, B and C. Here we have given this angle is of 45 degree. First, here we will consider X. This angle is of X degree. So here we can write angle X is congruent to angle 45. So here we can write X equal to 45 degree because these are the vertically opposite angle. Then A plus X, we can write A plus X equal to 180 because these are the interior angle. Angle A plus angle X will be 180 degree because these are the interior angles. So we know X is equal to 45. So angle A plus 45 equal to 180 and angle A will be equal to 180 minus 45. This will be angle A equal to 10 minus 5 will be 5, 8 minus 5 will be 3 and 135. So angle A is equal to 135 degree. Number 2, angle A and angle B are congruent angle because these are also vertically opposite angle. Angle A equal to angle B are vertically opposite angle. So measure of angle B is also equal to A. So this is also 135 degree. Then we will find the third answer, which is angle C. Angle B and angle C are also congruent. Angle B is equal to angle C because these are the corresponding angle formed by a transversal M. So corresponding angle formed by transversal M. So we can write angle B is 135 degree, which is equal to angle C, and so angle C will be also 135 degree. Here in example 4 we have given figure and angle PQR and XYZ are parallel to each other. Sides of angle PQR हा जो अँगल आहे याच्या साईड आणि XYZ हा जो अँगल आहे याच्या साईड एकमेकांना कसे आहेत, पॅरलल आहेत. तर आपल्याला दिलेले PQ इज पॅरलल टू XY, साईड PQ is parallel to side XY. Again we have given side QR. Side QR is parallel to side YZ. This is given to us and we have to prove that. To prove angle PQR is congruent to angle XYZ. तर अँगल PQR हा अँगल आणि XYZ हा अँगल हे दोन्ही कॉन्ग्रंट आहेत आपल्याला असं प्रूव्ह करायचं. देन वी हॅव टेकन पॉईंट S ऑन लाईन QR सच दॅट S, Y and X आर कोलिनियर. टेक पॉईंट S on side QR such that QSR are collinear point. So here now we can write angle XYZ is congruent to angle XSR. Now angle XYZ is congruent equal, angle XYZ is equal to angle XSR, angle XSR, because these are the corresponding angles. Then angle PQR is also equal to XSR. Angle PQR is also equal to angle PQR and XSR. XSR. These are also corresponding angle. So this is our first equation, this is second equation from 1 and 2. दोन्ही इक्वेशनचे राईट हँड साईड कशी आहे, इक्वल आहे, आणि म्हणून आपण लेफ्ट हँड साईड सुद्धा इक्वल लिहू शकतो. सो अँगल XYZ इज इक्वल टू अँगल PQR. सो अँगल XYZ इज कॉन्ग्रुएंट टू अँगल PQR. Here we have given figure. Line AB is parallel to line CD. Line AB and line CD are parallel. PQ is their transversal. We have given this angle is of 105 degree and we have to find out angle ART. Angle ART means this angle. So by using the angles in linear pair we can find angle ART. So first we will write angle ART plus angle BRT equal to 180, angles in linear pair. So BRT is 15, angle ART plus 105 equal to 180. So angle ART will be 180 minus 105, which will be angle ART 180 minus, this will be 75 degree. Then number 2, here we have to find out CTQ. Here ART we have 75 degree. Then we have to find out CTQ. Angle CTQ. Angle CTQ and angle ART are of equal measure because these are the corresponding angles. So angle CTQ equal to angle ART because these are the corresponding angles. And so angle CTQ is also equal to 75 degree. So number 3, CTQ, this is 75 degree. Then DTQ, angle DTQ is of 105 degree because angle DTQ and BRT are equal. So angle DTQ will be equal to angle BRT. These are the corresponding angles. So angle DTQ, BRT चं मेजर आपल्याला माहिती आहे, BRT आपल्याला 105 degree. So DTQ is also 105 degree. Last angle PRB. Angle PRB. Angle PRB. So we have to find out this angle. So this is the opposite of ART. Angle PRB, angle PRB and angle PRB and ART. Angle ART. Because these are the vertically opposite angle. So angle PRB also, PRB is equal to ART and ART is 75 degree.